Okay, thanks for coming out, everyone. How about these kids? Aren't they great? Big round of applause, guys. Nice job, guys. I'd also like to once again thank Chris Shepard. Let's hear it for Chris. Thank you, Chris, for everything. We're going to miss you. All right, everybody, have a good night. Thank you.